Hello everyone. We are here to understand some small tutorial on how to use some online tool to create effective power presentation. I am Dr. Ramkrishna Rathore. Let us start with this. Okay, suppose we want to create our PowerPoint presentation and we are already having our outline for this particular presentation. In this tutorial, let us understand this basic example of having this defined outline of my presentation, which includes the title, the subsection titles, and their specific body text. So these are the things that I would like to incorporate in my presentation. What I have to do? I have to simply switch into the Google and I have to write down Microsoft Word Online. Here, it will take us to create a Microsoft Online document. Here, this will open after signing in. This document will be open in Microsoft Word Online mode, where you can use your free Microsoft account to create this, and I have pasted all that content into this. After pasting this, I am simply converting this as title into the style text box, and also I am going to define the heading of subsection as heading 1. Okay. Similarly, if I am going to put it, either body text are in bullet points, then I am going to take it like that, or else you can directly use the body text without the bullet points. So I have already made this, and these are defined as heading 1 and these are the body text. Okay. So now for simply converting this Word document into the Power presentation, we have to click on File, then Export, then select Export to PowerPoint Presentation Preview. It will provide you the option in which you can easily choose some of the themes that have been defined by the Microsoft team itself. If you want to have more themes, click on this. It will provide you some more themes, and select some of the themes which you like to create as your presentation. If you don't like, then you can simply go with the standard word or the blank one as well. Select and click on export. After clicking on this export, your Word document will be exported into the Power presentation like this, and then you have to click on Open Presentation. Your presentation will be open in online Microsoft PowerPoint presentation mode, and it will look like this. If I'll click on Start Slideshow, you can see all the text and all the subheadings have been incorporated in this, along with some basic infographics and the pictures incorporated with this. Now, suppose I would like to change something into this. You can have this designer tool at the upper right hand ribbon bar. By clicking on this, you will be having plenty of options how you want to create your slide. So you can make your slide more representative so that it will help for the user to understand how you are going to create it. Okay. Suppose I would like to add some animation. So what I'm going to do, click on Insert, click on Video, click on Stock Video. It will allow you to provide some online video graphics into your Power presentations. If you want to preview them, then simply place the cursor on the specific video. It will allow you to have this kind of videos into this. Suppose I'm interested into this particular video. Now just simply select it and click on insert. After clicking on insert, simply put it in the back. And it will allow you to have the Power presentation like this. If you want to create this and if you want to bring it on the front, just simply right click on it and click on front. Change the text color as per the use. Then if you want to change the size of it, also it can be defined using this. Suppose you want to use this into some different kind of rearrangement, so it can be seen like this. Let us try to understand how this video will work. So I am clicking simply on this PowerPoint presentation. It will start the video like this. Okay. If you want to add some graphics into your presentation, you can simply go into insert, click on stock images from the ribbon bar. It will allow you to use some of the stock images like this. If you want to search for any specific stock image, you can simply search on this and you can add your specific image like this. If you want to rearrange this, just by inserting the image, this designer will allow you to recreate the presentation as per the various different options. You can use those options, or else I'm going to show you this option where I have created this presentation and added some of the images like this. Like this is the same Power presentation. Now you can see how I have placed the word. It is now more prominent and it is also telling what I would like to create. So the title of the presentation is, let us say, how to create an effective introduction video for SWAN course. Okay. Now, the second subtitle of this particular slide is understanding the audience. Here, the image rightly defines the condition of various kind of audience, their imagination, passion, their negative and positive thoughts, and various other activities related to the audience. Okay. In this, I have also added one info picture which will also define the course objective. Now, similar to this, I have added this particular image which is placed at the right hand side. Now, how we can add and how we can create this? So again, we are having this designer option through which we can redefine the image or slide looks. For adding some more images, we are having so many other AI options, some of which I am going to create it as Bing Image Creator. Just simply type it on the Google and go into the first link, that is Bing AI Image Creation. Once you go into this particular link, it will help you to create the images as per your requirement. Suppose I would like to create an image of video editing tools. Simply click on submit. It will try to develop the image based on your chat requirement. Okay. So here, if I'm going to use the Copilot, it is allowing me to understand this kind of thing. Also, it is allowing me to have this kind of video. Suppose if I'll click on designer, and now if I'll write down the same thing, that provide an image for video editing tools process. Then simply click on submit. This designer will now create some images which will similar to the chat that you have already provided. Okay. Just like this. Now it is going to be created as per our requirement. Kindly wait for some time. Once the image will be developed, it will be available into these 4 boxes as per the DAL-E situation. Now you can see these are more prominent images which will define our need. Okay. Suppose you would like to add some more things, you can easily add or click on this copy option. Okay. And simply go into your presentation like this and paste it over here. Okay. Or else you can simply save it into the desktop. Then simply right click on this particular image and simply change this from the device. Okay. Likewise, you can add the images as per your requirement. Okay. So similarly, I have added this kind of presentations and various graphical tools which will help me to create some effective presentation. Okay. This will also help me to have this slide converted into this kind of icons, which will also help me to justify the specific requirement that I would like to create. Okay. So you can use this kind of simplified tools to make your presentation like this. Also, you can add the animations as per your requirement. Also, the transition animations like morph and advanced animation tools can be utilized based on your requirement. And once you are done with this, you can simply click on file and click on save your presentation into your computer, so that a copy will be saved into your computer for offline editing and usage purpose. Thank you very much for this video, and thank you very much for listening me patiently.